Torque is a force. It makes things turn. When you apply a force at a distance from a pivot point, you create torque. This is why using a longer wrench makes it easier to turn a bolt. Imagine you are opening a door. You push the handle. This creates torque. The force you apply on the handle, combined with the distance from the hinges, generates the turning effect. The door rotates on its hinges. This rotation is a direct result of the torque you applied. Torque is important in many areas. From simple tasks like opening doors to complex machinery operations, torque plays a crucial role. It helps us understand how cars move. The engine generates torque, which is transferred to the wheels, making the car move forward. It explains how wrenches tighten bolts. The longer the wrench, the more torque you can apply, making it easier to tighten or loosen bolts. Torque is all around us. In every machine and tool, torque is at work, making things function smoothly. Torque is measured in units called Newton meters or pound-feet. These units help us quantify the turning force. A higher torque means a stronger turning force. This is essential for heavy machinery and powerful engines. Understanding torque helps us design better machines and tools. Engineers use this knowledge to create more efficient and powerful devices. Torque depends on two things: force and distance. Imagine pushing a door. When you push a door, you are applying a force at a certain distance from the hinges. This combination of force and distance creates torque, which is what makes the door swing open. The force is how hard you push. The harder you push, the more force you apply, and this increases the torque. The distance is how far the handle is from the hinges. The farther away the handle is from the hinges, the greater the torque. The greater the force, the greater the torque. This is why using a longer lever makes it easier to lift heavy objects. The farther the distance, the greater the torque. A longer lever increases the distance, making it easier to move or lift heavy objects. This is why it's easier to open a door by pushing the handle rather than near the hinges. Pushing near the hinges requires more force to create the same amount of torque. Torque also has a direction. The direction of the torque determines the direction of rotation. It can be clockwise or counterclockwise. The direction of the applied force determines whether the torque is clockwise or counterclockwise. Clockwise torque makes an object turn to the right. This is often seen in screws and bolts. Counterclockwise torque makes it turn to the left. This is the opposite direction, and is also common in various mechanical applications. Torque is everywhere in our lives. From the moment we wake up and turn the doorknob to leave our room, to driving our cars to work, torque plays a crucial role in making things move and function. Cars use torque from the engine to turn the wheels, allowing us to travel from one place to another efficiently. The more torque an engine has, the faster the car can accelerate, giving sports cars their thrilling speed and performance. Wrenches apply torque to tighten or loosen bolts, making them essential tools in any mechanic's toolkit. A longer wrench provides more leverage, making it easier to turn a stubborn bolt, especially when dealing with rust or tight spaces. Electric drills use torque to drill holes, allowing us to build and repair with precision and ease. The drill's motor generates torque to rotate the drill bit, making it a powerful tool for various tasks. Even a simple doorknob uses torque to open the door, demonstrating how this force is integral to our daily activities. Torque is crucial when tightening fasteners like bolts and screws. Too little torque, and the fastener might loosen. Too much torque, and the fastener might break. Torque wrenches are special tools that control the amount of torque applied. This ensures fasteners are tightened to the correct specifications. Understanding the impact of torque on fasteners is essential in many fields, from construction to mechanics. It ensures safety and prevents equipment failure.